last minute and na wo be yes we be this adwuma we. It means it's a what omo carry o manfo no. Wo mo esusu wo no. Ehun so manfo no a wo mo tato abadema wo no no. Ade akitu bi ana so omo ani. Na ada bia na aso wo no ani. Ebe ma wo mo apie abeto aba. But I'll tell you this. Quite often in the 8 year no ya na ntan weke. In the 8 year no ya na a provoke o manfo. Okay. Oh yes. And you know it's very critical, and I tell you, say this may hurt the campaign of Bawumia. The Akufo-Addo, you know, it may hurt the campaign of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So commissioning no more, you know. How? It may. How? The mention say one more year to initiate any phone. One more share issue voting. One more share NDC, MPP, and Twabano. One more share based on issues. One more share what is realistic. Say, yeah, say. Matua Bama 4 years. Now open say who develop me. Now who develop or mine. Now the development at the bar. Won't change a ma a die kotuaba now to me. Now to me as I was back on the Muslim and now be commission projects. Ube free projects are 6 months to election. Even though we agree the government is a continuum, some of these things could have been done earlier. Sanuma Yenuno. Kebibe to me frase entem 87.9 oh they me pa kire no iti o manfo a wo mu susu se empuntu onti ne woto aba no na eye mpuntu a eye real impuntu sisi ai mo create impression say abato no yetoma mo mo beto adwumedi no so. The question is that what is the guarantee say mundanto na edu the next election no masamba ka say yeto aso. Yeah. So people who believe in development in real time, you know, will not accept this. And the Americans say, "Sanko for you know, you try to miss your for one more Ghana." Now, Maka, watch Greater Accra, Central Region, our flattening allegiance. We are so now I don't to mommy. The swing regions, no. Messa to our Obiwa, Omono. And you do change the direction of their vote. Yes, I say a Central Region, you can't Greater Accra, no have Buno Accra. Now we say a Kosi, I don't say I KVM maybe no. It is very important for them to appreciate the fact to say Ashanti Region votes. Yes, we've seen some consistent margin over time, 70% plus nearly. But the reality of the matter is say the decider of victory for national elections, no, and Ashanti Region, as you would see. The Ashanti region are consistent behind the MPP, win or lose. What you are saying? The deciding factor of the election will not necessarily be Ashanti region. However, the MPP in the upper to Ashanti region because a man for no need take they are going to suffer a lot on the 7th of December. A very critical issue they have to look at. And I'll tell you this.